So I need to drill a hole in this wooden ball and this size drill bit. So I'll show you how I do it. The first thing is to take a Forstner bit and drill a hole with that. Now that we have the first hole cut, you can take out this bit, keep everything mounted, and put this bit in. But I will do it a different way. Now the drill bit should line up perfectly from the other one. With the use of the Forstner bit, you have a small hole in there, and with that small hole, you can fit in your small bit, so you can always line it up anytime. Now with the drill bit lined up perfectly in the hole, you can go ahead and drill the wooden ball. I finished drilling the wooden balls, and I'm working on a different project, but I thought, well, I'm at it, I might as well see if I can make those clackers. So I just put some string through it and added a keyring hook, and I just made them, so I'm out of practice on these. They were around in the 70s, so there, I did one.